Hi guys, how are you doing? I welcome you so much to Mom and Baby Wellness, and today we shall be comparing a home DIY pregnancy test using salt, and we shall be comparing the results with the over-the-counter pregnancy simple strip, those strips that you can buy from from the chemist or from the pharmacy around you. So we shall be comparing the results. So will the salt pregnancy test result be the same as that of a over the counter pregnancy strip? So that is what we are going to be doing. So let me show you what we need and let's get started. So guys, for this experiment, of course, we need the over-the-counter pregnancy strips. These are just very simple pregnancy test kits. You can buy them at from any chemist. And then of course we need salt. Oops. We need some salt. This is just the normal salt. And we need 2 clean bottles. So this one we shall be putting in some urine that we are going to be testing with the one. This one will be for the over-the-counter, and this one will be for the salt, and then we are going to be comparing the results. Of course, you need some gloves, but this is optional, and some serviettes or some hand towels. So let's get with our urine. So this is jar A and this is jar B. So and this is our simple pregnancy test kit or strip, and here is our salt with a spoon. So we are going to be checking the reaction. This is the jar A. This is where we are going to be using the salt, and it's always advisable to use the early morning urine, because that urine, it's whereby the HCG is very much highly concentrated. So take your very early morning urine, that is immediately when you wake up, and that is what we will be using to test our pregnancy. So in this jar, I'm going to be putting a whole teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to just let it sit for a minute or two. Just tie it a little bit, let it sit for a minute or two, and then and this other jar B will be testing it using the pregnancy test kit. And these are very simple strip. You'll just dip inside the urine, and these are up to this level. So that is what I'm going to be doing, and then we shall be observing the results. Just dip it for a second or two until you see something rising. I'm also not sure of my pregnancy status, so this is something that is so I don't know how I feel about it, but let's see the results. So I'll let this one just sit here and we observe the results. So this is the urine jar. As you can see, there's actually nothing that has happened. If I can just tie it, as you can see, there's absolutely nothing that is happening. You'll just see some salt. There's just some salt down here, and nothing else has happened to the urine. And as you know that a salt pregnancy test, if the test is, wait a minute, before I reveal, I show you how to interpret the salt pregnancy test. Let us see what the pregnancy over-the-counter pregnancy strip has read. What are the results? It's just 1. That means that I'm not pregnant. That is the result according to the over-the-counter pregnancy test strip. How about the salt one? So for the salt pregnancy test, if you're pregnant, it should be very milky or cheesy like, so it will appear whitish, and it will also have some bubbles. There is a video that I've done very early on. You can also check it out. So as you can see, nothing has really happened. There's nothing here, so it is not milky. As you can see, it's still the same, as almost the same. No, the only difference is that this one has salt sediments below, but this one is just plain urine. So as you can see, the results are, they are very much they are aligning. So this one says it's negative, and also this one, the salt one, is very much accurate. So I'd say that the salt pregnancy test, for me, it's, the results are very much the same. If you are pregnant, I'd like you to take the test, both of the tests, and we see whether this one will be cheesy, as as people say, or as people who have done it before have found out, so that we can also compare. So if you've done, I want you to do this test and comment below this video, especially if your test is positive. Let us know, did the urine turn cheesy, or did the results, were the results the same? So that's all. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, because in this channel we talk so much, a lot about trying to conceive, and a lot about all this such stuff. So my name is Nasteri, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video. So I'll see you next time, and God bless.